Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf, day 14 of FrekiFitVember. All right, you beautiful creatures, how are you all doing? I am doing wonderful. First of all, comment down below or on my Facebook group what you did for exercise today. I don't know what I'm doing exactly yet, but I'm going to go over yesterday. Yesterday was a satisfactory day, like very, very satisfactory. One of those days where you ended, you're like, today was a good day. First of all, I went to work. Obviously, you guys know that. And work was pretty good. It was steady, not dead, not busy, but steady, which is nice. Especially right now with, the pandemic going on. And with new restrictions coming back out on Tuesday, a lot of people don't know exactly what's going on. Plus, I've just been loving my hair every time I look in the mirror. And, I work in a salon, so there's mirrors everywhere. But so it was good at work. And then when I got off work, I ate an apple and took out dough to start thawing out so that I could start making some steamed buns. While that was going on, I decided I'm working out, and I did day 8 of the Yoga with Adriene 30-day challenge, and it was a workout, guys. I mean, I couldn't do all of this stuff, of course, especially side planks. I don't know if you ever tried doing a side plank. It looks like, oh, that's kind of easy. No, ma'am, it is not. It is all sorts of hard. She even says, in it, for those of you that are wanting to do this, if not, maybe you could do this or this instead during this time. I tried and couldn't do it, but I could half do it, and then the second round of it, I was able to basically hold it for 2 seconds, but still, I was able to get in the position, which is amazing to me. So that was awesome. But it was one of those workouts, one of those yoga workouts that I am sweaty. I had to wash my hair, and I didn't want to wash my hair yet because I just colored it. But it was that sweaty. I was dripping. I never get dripping sweaty. That never happens. I get really oily looking, really shiny, really little wet at the scalp, but not where it's just literally running down my face. I needed a towel to wipe off my face. And that felt amazing that I was doing that to myself. Feeling progress. That was great. And so anyway, so after that, I ended up making the steamed buns, and they were delicious as always. I did do them different. I did it with more Cajun seasoning and that type of stuff, so it created a whole new flavor. I'm becoming obsessed with these things and what you can put inside of them. And also, a coworker had given me a bamboo steaming basket. That thing's brilliant, especially using it with the Instapot, because literally it fits on top. So no more stacking bowls in weird positions or anything like that. You just pour water in the Instapot, put it on saute, bring it to a boil, set the basket on top, and boom, it's perfect. I did two tiers, so I got all 8 done, made in one go, which is even better because it's a huge time saver, and they were all thoroughly done. I did do it for 7-ish minutes rather than 5, but still, they were amazing. And there's enough room in there and this thing so that they're not tightly packed. You can get it out without being all trying to grab tongs to try to grab the paper underneath. You can just reach in and grab it. It was pure delight. I was so happy, and they tasted so good. And then the rest of the day, I did the dishes. The only regret, and I use that word very loosely, is that I do wish I did a little bit more cleaning. But still, I did great. And then the new episode of the Great Britain Baking Show came out, and it was dessert week. And guys, I don't know if any of you watch it. I don't know. I talk about it several times, but I'm not going to say the details in case you guys do watch it and you haven't watched it yet. It comes out every week on Netflix. But it was dessert week this week, and the showstoppers. The showstopper is the last thing they do, and they've got to do this amazing thing. They get like 4.5 hours or more sometimes to create this amazing thing. And it was like cake and gelatin dessert. So basically they were making gelatin molds and putting designs inside of it, on it, wherever. And oh my gosh, they were so cool. I want to learn how to do that. I mean, because of that show is why I got obsessed with steamed buns, and now I'm like, I really want to learn how to do this mold thing with gelatin, but I don't think that's happening anytime soon because I have to buy stuff for that, like to be able to inject and all that. I can't afford all that, but still, it was amazing. So I watched that. Then the new episode of The Mandalorian was out, so I watched that, and then I got up and walked around, let the dogs out, things like that. And then I got pretty lazy the rest of the night, I'm not going to lie. But I still ended it with like 12,000 steps again. Because after that, I started playing my game, my Assassin's Creed Valhalla. And it is so much fun. I just got to the part where you get to England and you get to actually start setting up your own new village. I mean, granted, you're originally a Viking, so of course you're going to go to nearby villages, raid them so you can get supplies to create your own village, but still. And then after that, Felicia Day, who you guys know I'm obsessed with, she was streaming Assassin's Creed Valhalla. So she was behind where I was, so it was actually kind of cool for me because there were several times that she was needing help with something or trying to figure something out, and I would type what to do or whatever, where she read my answer and thanked me. And she didn't read my name, I think, just because too many people were like, oh, okay, well, thank you, and then did it and was able to do it because I had already known. And I felt really great. And like, she has thousands of people that are watching her, so she not going to recognize my name or anything like that, but but still, she read my answers out loud and I was able to help her, and that made me feel so good. Yeah. So anyway, all in all, it was a great day. And overnight snackage. I have no candy in the house, so I did not snack on that. And thank you again, Tink. I haven't responded to your comment yet as I'm recording this. I'll probably respond before I post this. But Tinker2, thank you for calling me out. I did justify eating 5 freaking candy bars because it was within my calories and points. That's still not healthy, and you're right. My goal is to get healthy, not just lose weight by staying within my points. Treats are fine occasionally, but I did justify it in my head yesterday, or out loud to you guys yesterday, so thank you for that. I do need to be called out on my BS. So, the midnight snacking that happened last night was 1 apple. So not even a ton of them, not a bunch. I did get an apple because I woke up because the core was sitting right there. This like middle of the night, I don't remember eating thing is nonsense. It happens every once in a while, probably because I am stressed out. That my body does certain things, and that's how I can tell when I'm high in stress. And that's one of them. So I gotta do some, whatevering and figuring that out. I need to get some more CBD oil to calm myself and all that jazz. But yeah, I behaved, I did well, I did step on the scale. I don't remember the exact number, but officially down for the week. Tomorrow is my weigh-in, so that's when it will actually matter. But all in all, great day. And today I'm going to go to work. I'm hoping that it is going to be a nice, busy day. And good, red light, because where I'm going is right there. I'm going a quick trip to get breakfast. And I don't want to be like sitting in the parking lot talking, especially as I'm wrapping things up. But anyway, hopefully it's going to be a busy day today. And then I'm not sure what exercise I'm going to do after work, especially because it is the longer day. And then also because my roommate will be home. But I'm going to try to not let that be an excuse. I'm going to figure it out. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And I will talk to you tomorrow.